perfect wig starts with understanding your measurements. Taking just a few minutes to measure your head helps ensure your wig feels comfortable, sits securely, and looks completely natural. All you'll need is a soft measuring tape, a mirror, and something to jot down your measurements. Before you start measuring, put on a wig cap. The wig cap creates a smooth, even surface over your head, which helps you get the most accurate measurements. Start by measuring your head circumference. Place the tape along your hairline at the forehead. Run it behind your ears, down to the nape of your neck, and back around the front. This gives you your overall head size. Next, measure from front to nape. Place the tape at your front hairline. Run it straight over the top of your head and down to the nape of your neck. This shows the length of cap you'll need. Now measure ear to ear across the top of your head. Start just above one ear, go over the crown, and finish just above the other ear. This helps make sure your wig sits comfortably without feeling tight at the temples. Most of our wigs come in average-sized caps, which fit most heads comfortably. We also offer some petite-sized styles for a smaller fit. For reference, our average-sized caps measure at 21¼ inches in circumference, 13¼ inches ear to ear, and 14 inches front to nape. Our petite caps measure slightly smaller at 21 inches in circumference, 13 inches ear to ear, and 13½ inches front to nape. Every wig cap features built-in adjusters, giving you about 1 to 1½ inches of flexibility. The adjusters allow you to fine-tune the fit, so your wig sits naturally and comfortably. If your measurements don't match the cap exactly, prioritize the circumference, since it is the most important factor for security and comfort. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for all things Estetica, tips, tutorials, and everything you need to get the most out of your wig collection.